Building a bridge is one of the more complex projects in the construction world. And as the Port of Long Beach begins work on a $1 billion replacement of the Gerald Desmond Bridge, that complexity is already on display. The job doesn't start at ground level, but hundreds of feet below.
We need to relocate a lot of stuff to be able to build this bridge and be able to begin construction.
And in this case, oil wells are the obstacles. For decades, they've dotted the port's landscape, even prior to the construction of the current bridge in the 1960s. 42 of them are affected by the path of the new bridge, and more than half of those need to be completely relocated, pipes, well casings, and all. The ground has to be cleared of obstructions 200 feet below the surface to make way for massive support pilings. It is literally groundbreaking work.
No one has ever built a bridge on an active oil field, or at least not to the extent that we're seeing here. So that big can, it basically isolates our old oil wells from the outside soil. We need to remove the well casing way deeper than we usually have to. So this entire thing that you're seeing here, it's never been done in our industry before.
Movement of oil wells and reabandonment of oil wells that they're having to do here, they're having to invent here. It hasn't been done anywhere else. Hats off to these guys for figuring out how to do it. They're paying attention to the content of the soil that's going back into these holes, making sure that it's as close to natural as it can be. I mean, the attention to detail is remarkable.
That's a very important part of what we're doing, making sure that environmentally we don't do anything to impact the surrounding area.
Projected as the second largest cable-stayed span in the country, the new bridge will have major positive impacts on the region, giving the largest ships on the ocean clearance to access Port of Long Beach terminals and improving cargo and vehicle traffic flow while providing 3,000 construction jobs a year over the 5-year project.
The bridge is such an artery to the national transportation system. Or 15% of all the waterborne containerized cargo travels over the current bridge, and we hope to see our market share continue to grow in the decades to come. So it's a project that needs to happen. It needs to happen now.
We're putting a lot of construction people to work, and of course this bridge is vital to the national economy, so once it's replaced, that'll create jobs regionally and across the country. So it's a very important project to the port and to the country.
If you'd like more information, please visit newgdbridge.com.